was a day of cultural explosion at the St. Dominic's RC School in St. David, where there were four students and one teacher representing schools in District 4 for an all day cultural workshop as the country celebrates its 50th anniversary of independence.
What we recognize is that a lot of our students are not very much aware of our folk songs, even our patriotic songs, some of the old time stories like a Nancy and our ring games and the other traditional games and even dances and so on. So today's workshop is intended to teach, so much so that we would have organized with not just Miss Neptune because she is our main facilitator, but we've tapped into other resources from our community. So persons have come in, drummers and singers and so on, to help us today and pass on so that our teachers and our students would be able to learn, teach when they go back to the school, and we hope that what we've done today would work right through and that our generations to come would learn from our exercise today.
How would you describe the energy in the room so far?
I'll say it's awesome. Awesome. I mean, when you see the passion, especially the drummers and the musicians, and everybody just enjoying the singing and the dancing and everything, so far it's been very exciting, I must say. And I'm very pleased with the participation, with the way the teachers are involved, and everyone is just blended in so well. And this offers an opportunity too for our students to get to know each other from various schools. So it's a nice opportunity for bonding while we learn and grow together.
The students learned patriotic songs. Dances. Games. bit about storytelling and riddles from Gloria Payne Banfield.
The Compazian Competitive story was a Nancy story, and these stories were supposed to come in Africa. Now, you know who Nancy was? What he was? A spider. And what he was? Very smart. He was a smart man. No. Wrong like a biscuit. You know what a biscuit is? Yeah. A cracker. A biscuit, something you eat. Busy like a bee.
Busy like a bee? How would that be?
Clock.
What?
Clock.
A clock. Oh, yes.
Here's another one. A lady in a boat with a red petticoat. Nothing bad.
The main facilitator was Marlene Neptune.
I am hoping that the students would gain an appreciation, an excitement about the fact that they are Grenadians and their heritage is rich and they have something to pass on, that they would enjoy it enough to want to learn it, to be able to practice it and pass it on to someone else. What I've found as I taught at St. David's Secondary, the Cultural Keepers idea started there, is that the children are eager to learn. Yes, there are other things distracting them, but the students would quickly eat their lunches and come up by the church and play with me. That told me something. So we often say they forget it. One young man told me very clearly, he says, you know what, I'm tired of hearing persons saying young people don't appreciate their culture because you have not taught it to us. So he put me in my place. He says, if you don't teach it to us, we would not know it and you should not be blaming us.
All in all, it was a great day to pass on the Grenadian culture. Sarana Mitchell reporting.